If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making DAHI RASAGOLA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then half a cup of sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chhena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible, tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chhena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chhena, slowly pour some water on top of it. It will get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now in a bowl, take all the Chhena, followed by all the sugar, half of the powder and a pinch of salt, and combine it really well with your fingers. And after it's well combined, we need to knead it like a dough for at least 4-5 minutes. Then after that, apply some ghee on your palm and take a small portion of it and shape it like a ball. Just like this. Now similarly make others. Now take some water in a pan and place it on medium flame. Then in that add all the Chhena balls one by one, and we need to boil these for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes, and this should be done. And these will soak up water and will get bigger in size. So in the meantime, we will make the dahi mixture. So for that, in a bowl, take 1 cup of curd, and to that add rest of the powder, hing and the salt. Now with the help of a spoon, mix it up really well and set this aside for a moment. And when the Chhena balls are done, add them directly into this dahi mixture, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Dahi Rasagola. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.